I chose the biofuel biodiesel, which is a renewable biodegradable fuel manufactured from vegetable oils and animal fats. This chart is showing the production of biodiesel. We first start off with the growth of oil crops, which we then take its seeds and extract for vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is then refined to remove impurities and ensure that the biodiesel meets the required standards. This is then put through a process called transesterification that converts fats and oils into biodiesel and glycerin. Glycerin is a co-product that is used to manufacture pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. The biodiesel production is used for fuel that we use for motor vehicles that produce CO2. A couple pros to biodiesel is it is a renewable fuel source that can replace fossil fuels, especially in diesel engines. It can also improve air quality in urban areas by reducing harmful emissions and engine residues. A couple cons is that it is a good solvent which can damage rubber and fuel lines and loosen sediments in fuel tanks. It can also turn into a gel at higher temperatures than petroleum diesel, making it difficult to use in cold temperatures. The development of biodiesel has been growing with the U.S., seeing a significant increase in production and use in recent years. Other factors that have contributed to the growth of biodiesel include high crude oil prices, climate change, and energy security. Biodiesel produces fewer emissions of carbon monoxide, particulate matter, unburned hydrocarbons, and sulfates than petroleum diesel. This chart shows a trend in the U.S. biodiesel production, exports, and consumptions from 2001 to 2023. A way to communicate about these biofuels around the world is through a collaboration between 19 countries and 12 international organizations called the Global Biofuel Alliance. This includes the World Bank, World Economic Forum, and Asian Development Bank. Due to the final prices of this biofuel, it limits the price of vegetable oil used to produce biodiesel. If I were to propose a plan of action if funding were not an obstacle, I would propose that we produce more vegetable oil to make more biodiesel, but to a point where it does not become a significant problem such as starvation in developing countries. Planning this appropriately and designing the whole production process from seed to the biodiesel end production is essential to contain the influence of energy inefficiencies on the high price of the end product. Here is my list of resources.